About company. Today, Texha Production Association is a universally recognized leader in the field of development and production of cage equipment for poultry farming industry. The company was established in 2000, and for less than 12 years, it has managed to occupy one of leading positions in the field and has already gained recognition of agricultural enterprises of Europe, Asia, Africa, North and Latin Americas. Today, Texha produces the following equipment: cage and floor equipment for broilers growing, cage equipment for layers management, cage equipment for breeders management, cage equipment for pullers and broilers junior growing, alternative system Baltica for laying hens according to European standards. The equipment produced by Texha is of high quality and provides automation of all main bird management processes. How does the company manage to offer the most effective solutions for poultry farming? Texha has its own design department, which develops innovative projects meeting all requirements of the customer. The Technology Center works on enhancing efficiency of the production. Specialists of installation department make makeshift and turnkey mounting, and our service department provides warranty and post-warranty maintenance for the whole operation term of the equipment. Texha plants are considered to have the best state-of-the-art high-tech production facilities among global manufacturers of the poultry farming equipment. Our products are made on modern machinery including robot welding lines of EVG, delicate extrusion equipment, Bystronic laser cutting systems, bending machines made by ACL and Bystronic, punching machines of fin power, tailfeed and Bystronic, wire bending machines produced by Simco and Herdon, milling and turning machines made by Goodway. Usage of Swiss-made modern wire bending machines with computer numerical control enables manufacturing of extremely complicated products from wire, which otherwise couldn't be made. The parts are produced with high speed and accuracy. The metal laser cutting machine is a unique equipment which can cut out the necessary component of any form with maximum accuracy. Produced part requires no additional processing. The Ukrainian machine for production of drinking lines allows to mark the most precisely places for installation of nipple drinkers, to drill holes and to twist in the drinkers. The equipment provides high quality of assembly and leak-proofness of all joints. Texha's productive capacities include 2 index punching presses which make holes of any form, with pinpoint accuracy on set coordinates. The equipment works with extremely high speed, making about 300 punches per minute. Texha produces polypropylene manure cleaning tape on unique technology. Built on customers' responses, our product has no difference on quality with the tape of well-known Italian producer. Its benefits are as follows: frost resistance, no stretching over time, resistance to influence of acids and alkalis, ideal smooth structure. The equipment for welded mesh production is controlled with modern computers and allows to produce meshes of different standard sizes, various steps of longitudinal and cross wires to meet all individual requirements of the customer. High technological effectiveness of the equipment allows to produce over 6,000 types of various welded meshes with efficiency of 2 million square meters per month. The state-of-the-art equipment and application of innovative technologies, persistent efforts of professionals working in the company, exact focus on success and deliberate strategy of management, here are those factors which made Texha one of the best producers of cage equipment for poultry farming in the world. We have our representatives in 11 countries. Our equipment is being delivered to 20 countries throughout the world. Since 2000, we have put into service more than 1,200 projects on 60 million hen places in Russia, Belarus, Georgia, Armenia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Azerbaijan, Turkmenistan, Lithuania, Romania, Moldova, Tunisia, Argentina, India, China, USA, Indonesia, Algeria, etc. Based on present results, it is possible to assume that this figure will significantly grow in the future. Skills and abilities of our professionals have been confirmed by long-time partnership with our customers. Successful work, innovative and high-quality production brought Texha deserved recognition of poultry producers. It appears in numerous awards and prizes, victories in tenders, and successful participation in specialized shows. Products description. We submit to your attention a video clip from which you can learn everything about Texha's cage equipment for management of commercial layers flocks. This equipment is intended for commercial use in all climatic zones on poultry farms which specialize on eggs production. Techna produces three types of cage equipment for management of laying hens: universal, premium, and standard. They differ in area of the floor and feed in front. The customer gets maximum efficiency of productive area in compliance with required livestock, construction features of the hen house, birds breed and climatic conditions. All three types of cage equipment for management of laying hens, along with all other products of the company, are characterized with indisputable quality and high considerance of execution. That provides ideal conditions for the best realization of genetic potential of the breed that customer has chosen. Besides, Techna's cage equipment for management of commercial layers flocks stands out for its exclusive durability and simplicity in use. It provides almost full mechanization and automation of all main technological processes: distribution of feed, water supply, manure cleaning and eggs collection. There are distinguishing features which unite all equipment of Techna: efficient design and high reliability. We use only primary raw materials to reach high level of quality and durability. Usage of strengthened bearing posts and tin-covered fixing elements exclude possibility of sagging or contortion of the floor mesh, even after prolonged use of the equipment. Application of plastic elements in design is minimized. It prolongs term of life service and allows carrying out hot washing under high pressure to support the highest hygiene level in the hen house. Lateral mesh walls provide good air circulation, creating favorable and healthy microclimate for birds. Drinking lines are equipped with 3 nipple drinkers, which are located in the middle part of the battery, that provide access to water from 2 adjacent cages. The drop catchers are established under each drinking line, preventing drop of water on the manure cleaning tape. Drinking lines are equipped with 3 nipple drinkers, which are located in the middle part of the battery, that provide access to water from 2 adjacent cages. The drop catchers are established under each drinking line, preventing drop of water on the manure cleaning belt. The floor mesh is made of thin covered wire. Its 7-degree inclination allows egg to roll down freely on the eggs collection belt with flexible tray and plastic board, which reduce eggs cracking to minimum. Specially designed thin-covered shield protects eggs from packing. The latest energy-saving technologies are applied in our cage equipment for management of laying hens. Density of bird placement released from the need to apply the additional heating during cold periods of the year. All this promotes considerable reduction of production costs and increase the efficiency of your business. Feeding system. The automatic feeding system, either with chain or hopper feed distribution, can be used in Techna's cage equipment for management of commercial layers flocks. Both systems are effective, durable, and easy to install. The hopper feed distribution system includes: external silos are used for loading and storing of dry mixed feed. The feed is delivered from external silo to hoppers of mobile feeders of all batteries by means of auger conveyor of transverse feed loading. The loading of feed to mobile hoppers goes in turn, starting with the nearest to the silo 1. Conveyor of transverse feed loading has automatic power cut-off system. Each mobile feeder has 2 hoppers installed on both sides of cage batteries. The number of sections of the hopper depends on number of tires, separate section for each tire. The hopper is equipped for each tire with dozer and brushes for even distribution of the feed. The advantages of hopper feeding system usage are as following. The volume dosing system provides high accuracy of feed distribution according to technological requirements. Dozers provide equal feeding distribution on separate or on all tires of the battery at one time. Distribution of feed doesn't lead to its fractionation by size of particles along length of feeding trough. The design of feeding trough excludes possibility of feed stacking. The feeding trough made from thin galvanized steel of 0.7 mm thick considerably increases durability of cage battery design. The edge of feeding trough is bent inside to prevent feed spillage. Feeding system. The automatic feeding system, either with chain or hopper feed distribution, can be used in Techna's cage equipment for management of commercial layers flux. Both systems are effective, durable, and easy to install. The hopper feed distribution system includes external silos are used for loading and storing of dry mixed feed. The feed is delivered from external silo to hoppers of mobile feeders of all batteries by means of auger conveyor of transverse feed loading. The loading of feed to mobile hoppers goes in turn, starting with the nearest to the silo 1. Conveyor of transverse feed loading has automatic power cut-off system. Each mobile feeder has 2 hoppers installed on both sides of cage batteries. The number of sections of the hopper depends on number of tires, separate section for each tire. The hopper is equipped for each tire with dozer and brushes for even distribution of the feed. The advantages of hopper feeding system usage are as following. The volume dosing system provides high accuracy of feed distribution according to technological requirements. Dosers provide equal feeding distribution on separate or on all tires of the battery at one time. Distribution of feed doesn't lead to its fractionation by size of particles along length of feeding trough. The design of feeding trough excludes possibility of feed stacking. The feeding trough made from thin galvanized steel of 0.7 mm thick considerably increases durability of cage battery design. The edge of feeding trough is bent inside to prevent feed spillage. Eggs collection system. The Techna company offers either lift or elevator eggs collecting system to be installed in the cage equipment for management of commercial layers flux. The lift eggs collection system consists of longitudinal belt conveyor, transverse belt conveyor with lift mechanism, inclined eggs collection conveyor. Longitudinal belt conveyors have smooth adjustment of speed. The speed regulation of inclined and transverse conveyors is stepwise. Mutual speed correlation of the conveyors is extremely important for minimizing egg damaging at the peak of hands laying ability and during personal training. To prevent eggs from jutting during transportation, there are brushes for cleaning longitudinal belts and the container for collecting garbage. Besides, a special blower provides cleaning of the belt from dust and feathers. The lift system allows to collect eggs at one time from one tire of all batteries, gradually moving to the next tire. While using the elevator eggs collection system, the universal elevator is installed at each battery, by means of which eggs are collected from the battery tires and put into transportation system. Both eggs collection systems installed in Techna's equipment work in reliable, careful and accurate way. They reduce production costs and lessen emotional stress of birds. The advantages of eggs collection system offered by Techna company are as following. Reduction of labor costs when collecting and sorting eggs. Reduction of defective eggs output, cracked or dirty. Minimizing emotional stress of a bird. High reliability and durability in work. Simplicity in service. Manure evacuation system. The manure evacuation system in Techna's cage equipment for management of commercial layers flux enables fast and qualitative manure removing. It includes the following components: manure cleaning propellant belt, homing station, tension station, transverse conveyor, inclined conveyor. The manure cleaning propellant belt is stretched under each tire of cages along whole battery. The manure is accumulated on the belt and then transported to the end of the battery, where special scrapers clean it off on the transverse conveyor. The homing station moves and regulates position of the belt. The tension station tightens it. The design includes special auger shaft to cleaning the belt from inside. While moving through the homing station, the work surface of the longitudinal belt is being cleaned by the scrapers made of durable material. Scrapers are pressed to belt by means of special device providing qualitative cleaning. The blind covers the process of manure unloading from the battery on the transverse conveyor. It prevents manure from scattering out of the belt. The blind can be easily moved aside for carrying out service of power shafts and cleaning scrapers. The transverse conveyor with rubber tissue belt is intended for manure evacuating from the henhouse, and the inclined conveyor for loading of manure on the vehicle. Special thin galvanized steel cover can be installed on the inclined conveyor in cold climatic zones. The manure evacuation system in cage equipment for management of commercial layers flocks from Texha company works quickly and qualitatively. Considered design provides evacuation of manure with 65% humidity. This prevents from excessive ammonia evaporation and contributes into favorable microclimate in the hen house.